Start by removing the 3 screws on the burner plate. Once that's off, disconnect the sensor from the main board. Avoid pulling on the wire. Instead, pull gently from the plug to prevent wire damage. Then, gently set the burner plate to the side and remove the screws on the wires. After, grab the replacement burner plate and connect the wires to the main board. To attach the burner plate, make sure it's flipped over when attaching the screws. The wires have a ring terminal, so insert the screws through the rings to secure the wires. Then, flip the burner plate over and attach the sensor to the main board. Once the sensor is connected, screw the burner plate back in place. And lastly, add thermal paste to the sensor. Go to DIY Parts and More for all True Induction parts, troubleshooting, and DIY repair videos.